Emily, and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today's makeup look, I wanted to create a pink and bubblegummy springtime makeup look, and this tutorial is a little bit more special than usual ones today because this tutorial is actually a collab. And today I'm going to be collabing with Amy from TheSelfLoveMama, and I'm really excited to be filming this video today because not only is she my cousin, but this is also our second collab video, and I really have fun doing them. I'm going to make sure to link her video down below that she's doing a collab with this, so make sure to go see that video, go give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to her already. Amy's channel is filled of amazing content where she loves to do videos about her mom life, about trying on clothes in the fitting room, and she always works really hard on her videos, and you could really tell. She actually just hit 500 subscribers, which is a really huge deal, and she totally deserves it because she works so hard on her videos and she's been working hard on them for a long time. So definitely make sure to go over to her channel, give her support, tell her congratulations for hitting 500, and also subscribe if you haven't already so she can keep growing. And if you're new here, my name is Emily, and thank you so much for clicking this video. I love everything makeup and skincare, and I love to do makeup tutorials, reviews, and impressions. And so if you love anything like that, make sure to subscribe down below so you can join. And if you want to see how I create this makeup look, then let's jump into the tutorial. I'm first going to start off by priming my lids, and I'm just going to be using my usual, which is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Sephora Pro New Nudes Pro Pigment Palette, and I'm first going to be setting my crease with Magnolia. So since I am just setting my crease with this shade and it adds a little bit of color, this is going to be our first transition shade to just help all of our further colors that we're going to use blend well on top. I'm then going to be going into Bubblegum, which is this really pretty light peach color, and I'm going to start putting that in the crease and building up the color. I'm then going to be going in with Lily, which is this darker mauve color. I'm going to be putting that a little bit in the crease in the outer corner to start to build up some depth. Then just to darken up that outer corner a little bit more, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Hazel. So I then want to clean off my lid real quick and create a clean base, and so I'm going to be using a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to carve that out. Then I'm going to be taking Peach and just putting that right on top of this without setting it so it sticks on the tacky base. Now you could just stop here if you like this look, but I always love to add a little bit of extra glitter, and so I am going to be doing that today. And I'm first going to be going in with the NYX Professional Pigment Primer, which is a great glitter base, and then after that I'm going to be following up with the Kathleen and ColourPop's Loose Pigment in the Scales. So I'm just going to quickly do my brows, and lately I've been enjoying using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil and then finishing those off with the Benefit Gimme Brow. Then to highlight under my brow bone, I'm going to be taking just a little bit of Sunkissed. So now I'm going to be jumping into foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the new Hourglass Vanish Liquid Foundation. And I actually did just do a review and first impressions on this, so I'll make sure to link that down in the bio below if you wanted to check that out. So after my foundation, I'm just going to follow that up with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. After I'm done blending out my concealer, I'm just going to set all of my concealer and foundation in with the Pixie by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. Now to add some contour and definition, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Natural Contour Powder, which is what I always like to use. Something that I always like to do to help my face makeup correspond with my eye makeup is if I can use an eyeshadow from the palette for my blush, that's what I like to do. So today I'm going to be using Bubblegum. I'm then going to spray all of my layers of makeup with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist just to make sure that they all melt together. Now when my cheeks are a little bit still wet, I'm going to be going in with the Super Shock Shadow from Colourpop in Puppy Love for my highlighter. After I have that all blended out on my cheeks, I'm just going to put it on my nose and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm just going to be going in and finishing up my lower lash line, and I'm first going to be taking Hazel and putting that in the outer third corner of my eye. After that, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Lily and then smudging out the lower lash line. I'm then just going to take a little bit of bubble gum and then blend out those edges. I'm then going to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the Puppy Love Super Shock eyeshadow that we also use on our face. So I do want a little bit more glitter on my lower lash line, and so I'm going to be taking the loose pigment in scales that we used earlier on the upper eyelid and putting that in the inner corner. And instead of using glitter glue for this one, I'm actually just going to be picking up the pigment on my brush and spraying it with my setting mist and then applying it that way. I'm then going to be applying mascara, and for that I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Double Brush Mascara. So for my lips today, I wanted to keep it really natural and glossy, and so I decided to use the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquid Lip in Daikin. Okay, and here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Amy's video down below and go give her a thumbs up, and also subscribe to her if you haven't already. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to see more like it, subscribe if you haven't already to me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.